Transitioning to a vegetarian diet can offer numerous health benefits as it emphasizes plant-based foods rich in nutrients and antioxidants. Here are 10 health benefits of transitioning to a vegetarian diet. Number 1. Reduced risk of chronic diseases. Vegetarian diets are associated with a lower risk of chronic diseases such as heart disease, hypertension, type 2 diabetes, and certain cancers. This is due to the higher intake of fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and legumes, which are rich in fiber, vitamins, minerals, and phytonutrients. Number 2. Lower blood pressure. Plant-based diets have been shown to lower blood pressure levels, reducing the risk of hypertension and cardiovascular disease. The high potassium and magnesium content of plant foods, coupled with lower sodium intake, contribute to this effect. Number 3. Improved heart health. Vegetarian diets are associated with lower levels of LDL cholesterol, the bad cholesterol, and a reduced risk of heart disease. The absence of saturated fat and cholesterol found in animal products, along with the abundance of fiber and antioxidants in plant foods, helps promote heart health. Number 4. Better weight management. Vegetarian diets tend to be lower in calories and saturated fat while being higher in fiber and nutrient-dense foods. This can support weight loss and weight management goals, leading to a lower risk of obesity and related conditions. Number 5. Enhanced digestive health. Plant-based diets are rich in fiber, which promotes regular bowel movements, prevents constipation, and supports a healthy digestive system. A vegetarian diet may also reduce the risk of digestive disorders such as diverticulosis and colorectal cancer. Number 6. Improved blood sugar control. Vegetarian diets have been shown to improve insulin sensitivity and blood sugar control, making them beneficial for individuals with type 2 diabetes or at risk of developing the condition. The high fiber content of plant foods helps regulate blood glucose levels. Number 7. Reduced inflammation. Plant-based diets are naturally anti-inflammatory due to the abundance of antioxidants and phytonutrients found in fruits, vegetables, nuts, seeds, and whole grains. This can help reduce chronic inflammation in the body, which is linked to various diseases. Number 8. Lower risk of kidney stones. Vegetarian diets are associated with a lower risk of kidney stones due to their alkaline nature and higher intake of fruits and vegetables, which help maintain urinary pH levels and promote hydration. Number 9. Stronger immune system. The vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants found in plant foods help support a healthy immune system, reducing the risk of infections and boosting the body's ability to fight off illness and disease. Number 10. Environmental sustainability. Transitioning to a vegetarian diet can have positive environmental impacts, including reduced greenhouse gas emissions, conservation of water and land resources, and decreased deforestation and habitat destruction associated with animal agriculture. While transitioning to a vegetarian diet can offer numerous health benefits, it's essential to ensure that your diet is well balanced and includes a variety of plant-based foods to meet your nutritional needs. Consulting with a registered dietitian or healthcare professional can help you create a balanced vegetarian meal plan tailored to your individual needs and preferences. If you like this video, then please don't forget to subscribe my channel for some more useful content and health-related tips. Let's make every day a step towards a happier and healthier you.